So welcome to the Python Programming for Data full course. So this course is centered on having a Python foundation to work on data engineering, data analysis, or even data science. So the exercises we'll be doing along the way will be exercises that are focused on working on data. So why did we choose Python for this course? It's because the Python programming language, of course, is versatile. It could be used for a variety of use cases. It could be used for web development, for automation, for scripting, in DevOps, and in a lot of other functionalities. So it has an extensive set of library from pandas to polars used for data analysis to PyTorch and TensorFlow used for AI and machine learning. It has data science capabilities. Python has a large ecosystem of libraries that could be used to perform data science. Scripting and automation, as said earlier. Ease of learning. Python is very easy to learn. It has a very low barrier to entry. It has high demand in the job market. That means there are a lot of Python jobs because Python jobs are not just centered for Python developers alone. You also have jobs for like machine learning engineers, which also use Python, data scientists, which also use Python, analytics engineers, which also use Python, and a lot of other job titles, making Python a very hot language in the market if you are looking for a job. So we will stop here now, and we'll continue by actually looking into the language itself and then building up this capacity that we need.